Understanding the effects of earthquakes on buildings. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how earthquakes cause the ground and the base of a building to move, as well as how to construct efficient structures that perform and provide for the safety and security of building occupants. So in an earthquake, the ground begins to move and the base of a building moves with it. But due to inertia, the roof of the building wants to stay stationary. So eventually, as the ground and base is moving, the roof and the rest of the building follows along. So it has sort of a wavy motion. And then as the building moves back, the roof would then follow back as well slightly later. So during an earthquake, it causes movement in all three axes, so your X, Y, and Z axis, but most of the damage is being done due to that horizontal movement along the X and Y axis. During an earthquake, buildings normally undergo 3 modes of vibration, with the first mode being the one that causes the most damage. This is a video showing how the building reacts during seismic activity. You can notice that the building is shaking and the curtain wall is rocking back and forth. What's pretty neat here is, if you notice the way the curtain wall is rocking is exactly where our testing is trying to simulate. So when we look to videos of our testing later on, you'll see the same racking motion happening in our testing as was shown in this video. The challenge today is to build efficient structures that perform and provide for the safety and security of building occupants in areas that are prone to be impacted as dangerous forces such as hurricanes, tornadoes, or in this case, seismic activity.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.